Welcome to the Moodle 4.1 tutorial presented by the Center for Teaching and Learning here at Western Piedmont Community College. This video will show you how to navigate the new features in Moodle 4.1 so that you can be successful delivering your content to your students. As a quick side note before we begin, nothing has been taken away from Moodle with the upgrade, but some things have moved to new locations and some layouts have been changed to add more of an emphasis to the content you see on your screen. That's what this tutorial will address. Start by logging into Moodle using your WPCC username and password. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the home page, also known as the site news page. There are two ways to get to the site news page. You can click the home button or the WPCC button, and either one of them will send you there. There have been no changes made to the content of the site news page, so you can still use this page to check for upcoming events or general college information. You will, however, notice some changes to the layout of this page. As we look at the site news page, you'll notice that you don't see the vertical navigation panel on the left-hand side of the page that used to house the buttons for the home, dashboard, calendar, and my courses links. Those links have been moved to the horizontal toolbar at the top of the page. Additionally, the block drawer on the right-hand side of the site news page that used to house the links to our student tutorials and student orientation course is still there. But now you have the option to expand or collapse that drawer. You can expand the block drawer by clicking the arrow on the right-hand side of the page, and you can collapse it by clicking the X. Leaving the block drawer expanded or collapsed is your preference, but you now have that option. This gets back to the idea behind the upgrade to Moodle 4.1 and putting more of an emphasis on freeing up screen space for content. Before we move on, I want to orient you to the upper right corner of the site news page, to the notifications, messaging, and profile section. This section will be visible throughout any page in Moodle. You can access your notifications by clicking on the bell icon, your messages by clicking the call out icon, and you can access your profile drop-down menu by clicking on your initials like you would before the upgrade to 4.1. Now let's look at the dashboard. This is where the calendar and timeline have been moved. You can filter your calendar by specific course or view events from all courses by toggling the drop-down menu in the upper left portion. Also, you can create an event by clicking the New Event button in the upper right section of this page. As you scroll down, you can view a full calendar or import and export calendars like you could before the upgrade to 4.1. You can also sort and filter your timeline by clicking either one of the two drop-down menus in the timeline, or you can search by activity type or name. There's also a block drawer on the right-hand side of the dashboard that shows recently accessed items if you need it. Now let's look at the My Courses tab. You'll no longer access your courses via the dashboard. You'll now access them in the My Courses tab. The layout of the My Courses tab looks like the dashboard in the previous version of Moodle, so you'll probably be familiar with how it works. But just in case this is your first time using Moodle, let's look at what you can do here. You have several options to sort, filter, and search for your courses via the drop-down menus above your course list. You can filter courses based on course status by clicking the first drop-down menu on the left. Here, you can choose to see all courses, courses currently in progress, future courses, past courses, courses that have been starred, or courses that have been removed from view. Starring a course will allow you to store those courses in the starred category, so it's a good way to keep up with courses you need to find quickly. To star a course, just click the Actions menu with the three vertical dots and select Star this course. Your starred courses will be available in the starred category and the category where they originated. If you click Remove from View in the Actions menu, the course will be moved to the Remove from View category. If you need to restore a removed course, click on the Remove from View category, then click the Actions menu and select Restore to View. The course will then go back to where it was previously located. You can search for your course in the search bar, or you can sort your course list based on the course name, short name, or last accessed. And then lastly, you can change the way your course list is displayed by clicking the drop-down menu on the far right. You can choose between Card, List, and Summary. When you click into your course, you'll notice some immediate layout changes to your course page. You can now easily toggle editing on or off by clicking the Edit Mode button in the upper right corner of the page. This button will be visible from any page within your course, and to turn editing on, click the Edit Mode button. It will slide to the right and turn blue when editing has been turned on. The next change to note is the horizontal toolbar at the top of the course page. The links that were previously located in the vertical panel on the left side of the course page before the upgrade have now been moved to the horizontal toolbar at the top of the course. These include links to the course homepage, the course settings page, participants, your gradebook. The gradebook setup is located here in the drop-down menu. And to edit grades, make sure edit mode is turned on. Reports. This is where you can find features like accessibility reports, activity reports, and logs. More. This is where your content banks and recycling bin will be housed. And Open LMS reports. Now let's go back to the course homepage. The general section for your course, which contains a link to the course announcements forum, the Thinking Storm online tutoring link, and any other general course information or graphic that you post to this section will be located directly under the toolbar. The general section will be followed by your course topics. Course topics will be collapsed when you land on your course homepage. You can expand one topic at a time, or you can expand or collapse all topics at the same time by clicking Open All or Close All. If you'd like to view only one topic on your screen, turn editing off. Then click the target icon to the right of any topic, and it will be the only one you see. You can go to the next topic by clicking the link here, the previous topic here, or you can go back to the main course page by clicking the main course page link here. To edit a topic or subtopic, turn editing on. Then click the Edit menu or the three vertical dots to the right of any topic or subtopic and click Edit Section or Edit Settings. You can use the breadcrumb trail at the top of the page to maneuver back to the course or the assignment. To move a topic, click and hold on the topic and move the topic where you'd like it to go. Then refresh the page to update your course page. You can also click on the Edit menu to the right of a topic to move a topic. To add an activity or resource, make sure Edit mode is turned on. Then click Add an activity or resource and find the one you want to add. You'll notice that the activity icons have changed. The assignment and quiz icons are now pink. The folder, file, page, external tool, harmonize, Cengage, H5P, and URL icons are now blue. The glossary, forum, and journal icons are now orange. Open forum is now green, and collaborate is purple. It may be more convenient to star frequently used icons so you can access them quickly, so keep that in mind when adding activities or resources. When you turn editing on, the course block drawer will appear on the right side of your course page. Click the arrow to expand the course block drawer if it doesn't automatically expand. You can add information blocks here by clicking Add a Block. Once you turn editing off, the course block drawer will not be visible to you or your students if you haven't added any blocks or if you don't enter any text into the text block that appears in the initial block drawer. Once you add a block or enter text in the text block, your course block drawer will remain on the page when you turn editing off. To collapse the block drawer, just click the X. Now let's talk about the newly added course index on the left side of the page. To expand the course index, click the hamburger menu. The course index acts as a table of contents for your course, so you can go straight to a topic or subtopic without having to scroll through the course page. And if you scroll up or down in your course, the highlighted section of the course index will follow you. With edit mode turned on, you can move a topic in the course index using the arrows to the right of the topic. Then you'll just need to refresh your page to update your course page. To collapse your course index, click the X. The course index and block drawer are not tethered to the course page, which means if you scroll up or down in your course, they will not move, and if you scroll up or down in the course index or block drawer, the course page will not move. And like the site news page, you have the option to keep the course index and course block drawer panels expanded or collapsed. Your students will also have this option when they're in the course as well. That covers the basics for navigating the new features in Moodle 4.1. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Center for Teaching and Learning for additional support. Thank you.